Credit to him. So, ladies and gentlemen, here are all the winners, and each of them will get a trophy in turn. Heathcliff has got the trophies. Right, the first trophy, and this is the Taylor's Garage Trophy. Taylor's Garage in Droxford, going to the Indian Chief and Kevin Sanford. Well done, well deserved. An amazing motorcycle. 1200 cc's, V-twin, side valve, tyres like a car, very red. Nearly forgot that. Right, we're now having the trophy presented to Malcolm. This one is the Swanmore Village Store Trophy. They've finally donated the trophy, and here it is being presented to Malcolm by the president of the Lions Club. Right, Andrew Wilkinson on his T120 Bonneville, receiving the trophy from a company called CES. They're based in Swanmore on Forest Road, and they very kindly bought this trophy for us to present to the winner of this category. And once again, Keith, last but not least, Japanese motorcycles are from the land of the rising sun. In Swanmore we have a public house called the Rising Sun Swanmore, and the proprietor there has kindly donated this trophy for the best Japanese motorcycle. So the Rising Sun trophy for the Rising Sun motorcycle. Well done.